Hi, I'm Matt Watson from Carwow, and I'm sitting in an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio GTAm. Oh yes! This is one hell of a car, and I'm going to do a track battle with it where I'm going to time it around a tight racing circuit against a BMW M3. See which is the quickest. Before we get into that, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. Also, if you're thinking about buying a new car, click on the pop-out banner up there to check out Carwow. See how much money you can save. Make sure you're paying a fair price. Alternatively, at a later date, you can simply Google Help Me Carwow, and my team and I help you choose the right car for you and get it for a fair price from one of our trusted dealers.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow, and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
Okay, let me tell you about this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. It ain't just any Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio though. So what they've done with this car, this GTAm, is they've widened the track. They've increased the power of the engine. They've given it uprated suspension. They've given it carbon ceramic brakes. They've reduced the weight with carbon fibre. On this M version, you can adjust the aero on it. They've also gone and removed the rear seats and put a roll cage in there. I mean, it's full on nutty as hell. They're only going to make 500 of these M's. Oh, let me tell you about the engine. 2.9 litre twin turbo V6. Drives the rear wheels only via an 8-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. Looks amazing. Carbon on it. Tyres are super sticky as well. It's expensive. You're looking around £150,000. Let's do a flying lap. Come on, let's do it. Here comes the starting line now. Right, hold on the brakes. Oh yes, carbon ceramics doing their job nicely. Chuck it in. Lots of front end bite here. That's good, that is. You can't turn the stability all the way off in this car, which is a bit annoying. Oh, it just hooks up though. It just grips so hard. It really does. Just chasing the car. Come on. Rev it out. Oh my God, this just, yeah, it feels like a racing car, this thing. Oh, I hit the limiter a bit there. Hopefully that won't affect my lap time. Oh, over the curbs. Just get the power on here. Oh my God, come on. Get on the power. Rev it out. Oh, here we go. Here's the finish line now. Ooh. Oh, a bit annoying. I just clicked the limiter there. Hopefully it hasn't affected my lap time. Okay then, come on. What was the time?
47.
47?
6.
47.6. Wow. There you go. Okay, let me tell you about this M3. So, 3 litre, straight 6, twin turbo, 510 horsepower, 650 newton meters of torque. In this particular version, it's driving the rear wheels only, using an 8-speed torque converter automatic gearbox with paddle shifts. We've got a limited slip differential at the rear, and this car, it's not the lightest, comes in at 1,730 kilos. Starting price, £75,000. This one with these lovely racing bucket seats with carbon backs, £85,000. Yes, it's a lot of money, isn't it? Well, it is a nice car. It does it all. 4 doors, practicality, and it's a sports car to drive. So let's do it. Let's go for a flying lap. See what we can do with this car. Here comes the start line now. Hard onto the brakes here. Oh yeah, good brakes on this. 6-piston calipers, huge disc at the front. You've got 4-piston at the rear. Oh, it likes to slide a bit round there. I've got the stability in halfway house MDM mode. Well, otherwise it just gets too sideways on me. This thing, it's so leery. But it's great because you can feel exactly what it's doing. You know when it's braking away from you. Hard on the brakes here. The brakes are good. Lift off over these curbs, roll them a little bit. Okay, on the power, just balancing it here, stopping it sliding. Get it rolling and rotating into this corner. Oh! Here we go! What's the time going to be? Here comes the finish line! Oh, woo! Let's go find out what we did. So it's really nice, this car. I do like it. Just the dual personality of it, that you can just drive around in it every day. You know, put my baby seat in the back for my daughter. It's fine. She likes it. And then you can come to a track and hoon it around. It'll do big, massive, dirty drifts if you turn all the driver's aids off. I mean, you can just light up the tyres. I was just dicking around here earlier, just having some fun with it. And then I had to stop because the tyres started to wear out pretty quick. But you can also put in a nice, tidy time as well. So let's find out exactly what I did. So, go on. Let's hear what I did. Go on.
48.1.
48.1. It's all right. It's all right, that is.
I think that's good. Look good.
Right, now I'm going to launch this thing, time it from 0 to 60, 0 to 100, and then see how long it takes to brake from 100 to 0. Let's do it. Launch control active. No slip there. Nicely managed. Oh, right. Oh. Let's see what the scores on the doors are. So, 0 to 60, 4.16. 0 to 100, 8.47. And then it took 4.18 seconds to brake at 285 feet. Let's just convert that to meters on the screen. Okay, what will this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio GTAm do from 0 to 60, 0 to 100 and 100 to 0? Let's do it. Okay, what do we get? 0 to 60, 4.24 seconds. 0 to 100, 8.28 seconds. And it stopped in 285 feet. Feet? Foot? 285 foot. Feet. I don't know, 285 feet. What's wrong with me? This guy sends him mad. Okay, that took 4.28 seconds. Now, put the distance actually in meters there for all you metric people. I tell you what, that was a lot of fun. This car is awesome. It's such a machine. It's so unique. It looks amazing as well. Is it dynamically loads better than the M3 for the money? Nope. Is it unique? Yes. Would I like it? Yes. However, overall, I'd probably just go with the M3 and save myself a load of cash. But, you know, this will be worth more in future because it's collectible, or will be. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Let me know some other videos you'd like to see in the comments below. If you click on those windows there, you can watch some more videos. And if you click on that box there, you can see all the different times that I've timed various cars around our special little circuit here. Okay, thanks for watching.